Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's going to be Raya soon, so I decided to do a video. And as you guys know, I've been uploading a lot of vlogs instead of a tutorial. So you know, I'm kind of sorry about it because my channel is about beauty and I do vlogs as well, but I did a lot more vlogs than a beauty related video this year, so I'm so sorry about that. And actually I also do upload tutorials on my Instagram, so you can follow my Instagram right here. Follow me. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to do a tutorial that are suitable for Raya look if you don't like a full coverage, because this Raya look will be a fresh glowing kind of makeup. And I will start now. I will start off with a hangover primer from Too Faced. This one, you just have to shake it a bit. Shake. Okay. And pump, about 2 pump. You don't need a lot because I am just focusing on my nose and my chin area, and then spread it around my face. So then we are going to use a concealer, and I'm going to use a concealer from Colourpop, and this is in medium 26. This is a no filter concealer and it's really good. You're not going to need a lot because you know you just need to cover what's needed. And look at this. Benci aku. I got babies. You can see my veins. You can see my veins and stuff. And I'm just going to cover what I want to cover, and then highlights a bit. And then I'm going to use this. Just blend. Maybe I need a mirror. Okay, I got it from Rika. This one. Do you know what? Actually, I stack books because I didn't bring my tripod. I do have a tripod for my vlog, so I use it, but it's kind of too low, so I stack books underneath it so that it can reach my height, the desired height for me to do a video. So I'm so sorry. Anyway, I'm going to just blend this thing out. I don't need a lot. So I'm going to add more coverage for my under eyes, just my under eyes, because I have a really bad dark circles. And I'm just going to just blend in a bit. Okay. So I am going to set my face with a powder, and I'm going to use this Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. This one. I have been using this a lot because I love how fine it is, and it works really good when it comes to setting your face. Like, I do it like this. Okay. And I'm going to use this brush to set my face like this. Lightly tapping it in a tapping motion, obviously. So next I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in chocolate. And as you guys could see, my brow has become lighter because I already bleached it. So for those who haven't watched me bleaching my brows, you can click up here or on my description bar. I believe that I will include it down there. And I'm going to use this angled brush to draw my brows. But before that, you have to brush your brows using a spoolie like this one. So just lightly brush your brows, make it even or okay. And then using this, I'm going to draw my brows. Start at the end of my brow. And then continue. and then you just have to fill in, because I already have my own brow shape, so I don't have to like make a precise brow side. Yes, I'm done with my brows. Look at that. Don't you like it? I like my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to do my next brows off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my brows, and I've already cleaned the edges and everything. So now I will jump to my eye. For eye makeup, I don't use a lot of eyeshadow color. I only use one, and it's from this lip palette from Colourpop Cosmetics. If you guys realize that actually I have a lot of Colourpop eyeshadow palette, it's because I love Colourpop eyeshadow palette. It's really pigmented and it's really affordable, and when I buy it during sale, then it's a steal. So I'm going to take this shade with my finger. I'm going to spread it all over my lip, just on my lip, like this. With this shade, this one, let me focus this, and I am going to just lightly line my, my eyes, so that it will look natural and smoky. Like this. And then with this one, this shade, I'm going to highlight my inner corner. Oh, you see that? I'm going to use this eyeliner from Avon True Color Glimmerstick Eyeliner in G40 Cosmic Brown. I'm going to do eyeline right here, the one that I draw eyeline on. I'm going to make eyeline right here. Okay, so I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use this Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Curl Mascara. And first, I'm going to curl my lashes. I only have one lash curler, and it's this. I had this eyelash curler for like a couple of years now, and I only changed the rubber, so that, it's still good. I don't have to buy a new one. I bought it at Mr. DIY, and it's nice. It did curl my lashes. So why must I buy a new one if this one is still good? So start from the roots and then pull it upwards. These lashes is like, oh my god. You see that? Ooh. Using this Tartiest Pro Glow to Go, I'm going to contour my cheek using this brush. I got this brush as a gift from my friend. Thank you. She knows me. I like makeup, so she bought me this. Let me pull this up a bit. Right here. I'm going to contour up here in a tapping motion, like this, and then you drag it downwards like this. So actually I am supposed to smoke my eyeline, so I'm going to use this brush and just smoke out the line. And I forgot. then I'm going to use this Clinique cheek pop in number 2, and I'm going to put it on my cheek and on my nose a little bit, like this. Such a mirror. Nose. And then I'm going to use this zoeva cream highlight. It's in EOS. See that? This is one of the highlights that people have been using if you want to go for a natural glow and fresh. So I'm going to use a brush, like this brush. Don't put too much because you might have a lot of glow. See that? Oh my god, you see that glow? Did you see that glow? I'm not, I just saw. Wow. Wow. Okay. Put on your brow a bit. What the heck? So pretty. So no wonder lah. See that glow? So for my lips, I'm going to use this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Double Dare. So, I'm going to do it right here and then blend with my finger. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching, and Selamat Hari Raya. And also for those who into this kind of look, you can try it on. It's really easy. You don't have to put on a foundation. You just need a concealer. If you don't have a concealer, you can use a foundation, but in a really little amount, like a really small amount of foundation if you want to go for a low coverage. And if you could see my skin, it looks so glowing because of the highlights. I am loving the highlights. It's from Zoeva, and I will recommend this for you guys, for those who are looking for affordable highlights. This one might be for you guys. And for my eye makeup, it makes my eye look bigger and it looks nice. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much. Bye. See you again. Bye. Oh, don't forget to give a thumbs up, okay? Bye.